Hi guys, so welcome again to our material of construction class. Welcome again to our Under the River channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the content, and also don't forget to comment and tell us areas that we can be able to improve at so that we can be able to serve you guys better. Now okay, let me just share my screen as full. Yes, so we introduce commonly used these are the course objectives, so that the main actually for this is an introduction. So I'll be able to introduce commonly used construction materials, provide a basic understanding of their characteristic and for material used at construction application. So we'll be able to answer the following questions: how do we produce this material, and how do where am I okay and yeah, how do we use this material, and how do we use and how does this material behave, and what are the related standards and tests for this material. We'll be able to talk about them in the course of this class. And so these are something that we talked about these are things that we talked about in our previous video, so maybe you guys can take a look at it. So there's a need for concrete, right? Now, when gypsum is heated between 100 and 190 degrees, partial water, it loses partial water, and so that, as you guys can remember, that's something that we call an incomplete calcination, and it produces something that we call plaster of Paris. And this is something that maybe you can be tested on, so don't forget to master the degrees. These are things that are important. Let me see if I can note them here. So this part is really important: 100 to 190 degrees Celsius. When you burn gypsum, this degrees, you get a plaster of Paris. So don't forget to master this part, is really important. And the factors that affect gypsum strength is the water or the moisture content, and also the ratio to the sun and such like stuff. So the typical workable ratio is about 0.6. Workability, when you talk about workability, we talk about how much water it has. And yeah, okay,